To remove tiles you have on your Galaxy Watch from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap tiles. Here you can see all tiles you add to your watch under tile section. To remove a tile from your watch, find the tile you like to remove. As the example, we will remove pad controller. Now tap the red minus icon on it to remove it from your watch. Tap save to save the change. To see the result on your Galaxy Watch, swipe its screen to the left to view the tile. As you can see, the selected tiles, in this case pad controller, is no longer displayed on your watch. As a note, removing tiles from your watch can help you to keep your screen simple and easy to navigate. It lets you declutter by getting rid of tiles you don't use, access important features faster, and even save battery life by reducing background update. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.